Hi there, welcome to this quick clip on highest common factor and lowest common multiple. A lot of people get these confused, but they're actually really easy. So let's have a look at what it's about. The first one, find the highest common factor, all right? That means what is the biggest number that will divide exactly into the numbers they've given you. So we want the biggest number that will divide into both of these. Though those of you who are good at your times tables can probably see that 12 will divide into both of those, because 60 and 96 are both part of the 12 times table, aren't they? 5 12s are 60 and 8 12s are 96. But let's show you how to work it out. What we do is we start splitting this up by dividing the 96 by 2. So we could say that 96 is 2 times 48, which means it's 2 times 2 times 24. Can we go any further? Yeah, we could say it's 2 times 2 times 12 times 2. Can we go any further? I'm going to go down here. I'm going to rub this bit out actually just to save a little bit of space. They're the same numbers for the other question, so there's nothing confusing. Let's see if we can split it up a bit more now. Yeah, we can go 2 times 2 times 6 times 2 times 2. Can we go any further? Yeah, I reckon 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 2 times 2. So that's 96. Can we do it for 60? No, that's 96. Let's try and split 60 up. So we can say it's 30 times 2, or 15 times 2 times 2. You get the idea, Mr. Cameraman? Or we could say 5 times 3 times 2 times 2. Now we can't go any further. 60 won't split up anymore. Now all you do now is you pick out the numbers that are common between these two answers. So can you see a 2's common for sure, another 2's common for sure, and a 3's common for sure. Now there's nothing else, that 5 isn't there, and none of these 2's are there. So that's the answer, 2 times 2 times 3, which is 12. They're the only numbers that are common. Does that make sense? So for the highest common factor, all you do is you pick the numbers that are common between, once you've split both numbers up. All right? It's the numbers that are common that you get left, and you times them together. So the lowest common multiple now, let's have a look at that. Well, it's exactly the same method. So all this stuff that we've done here, every bit of it applies. All right? So for the lowest common multiple, but what you want in this time, you wanted a number that's the lowest number that both of these will divide into. So you want a big number that they'll both go into. Would they both divide into 100? No. Would they both go into 200 exactly? No. We want a number they'll both go into. All right? And we want the lowest number. And the way you do that is this. You pick out every number once that occurs. So let's see which numbers we've got. We've got a 2 and a 2 and a 2 and a 2 and a 2. We've got 5 2's. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. And we've got a 3. And we've got a 5. All right? Now if you times those together, if I've done this right, that should give you the lowest common multiple. Let's see what we get. 2 2's are 4 2's are 8 2's are 16, 2's are 32, times 3 is 96, and times 5 gives you 480. So what we're saying is that 480 is divisible by 60. Think about it. 6 goes into 48, 8 6 to 48, yeah? So that will divide in exactly. 96 will divide in exactly. So this is the lowest number, yeah, that both of these will go into. Whereas the highest common factor was the biggest number that would go into both of these. All right? So it's a bit weird. Play the clip again and do another couple of examples off one of our other clips to be sure you're right with it. But it is easy. Just say it, let me just say once more to knock it in. All you're looking for, when they say the highest common factor, you can start to think highest means a big number, and it doesn't. It just means the biggest number that's smaller than these that will divide into them. All right? And here, where you want the lowest common multiple, you want the lowest number that these will both divide into. So, one other little thing to have in your head. The highest common factor, when you work it out, is always a small number. All right? It's going to be smaller than these. And the lowest common multiple will be a big number. It'll be bigger than these. It'll be one they both go into. All right? Hope you found that useful. Thanks a lot for watching.